Hi students, today I am going to discuss an important named reaction, that is Correa-Kim oxidation. As name suggests, it is an oxidation reaction in which primary alcohols or secondary alcohols converted into aldehydes or ketones in presence of N-chlorosuccinamide, dimethyl sulfide and triethylamine. So it is a complete oxidation reaction and there will be efficient conversion of the primary alcohols and secondary alcohols to corresponding aldehydes and ketones will occur. And here in Correa-Kim oxidation, there will be generation of important electrophilic species that is called Correa-Kim reagent. So how that Correa-Kim reagent is generated is by the reaction of N-chlorosuccinamide with dimethyl sulfide, and this is the Correa-Kim reagent. So this is electrophilic species which is generated by the reaction of N-chlorosuccinamide and dimethyl sulfide. So this is very important. Through this reagent, through the formation of this reagent, further oxidation will takes place. And one important exceptional case in Correa-Kim oxidation is allylic and benzylic alcohols. If we use allylic and benzylic alcohols, so it will be converted into corresponding allylic and benzylic chlorides. So we won't get allylic or benzylic aldehyde. Instead, we are going to get corresponding allylic and benzylic chlorides. So this is an important exception. You need to remember when we are going to use Correa-Kim reagent. And if you look at the mechanism, how this oxidation will be brought about by using Correa-Kim reagent is as follows. The first step of Correa-Kim oxidation is generation of Correa-Kim reagent. So how Correa-Kim reagent is formed? Here is the mechanism how it is going to form. Dimethyl sulfide reacts with N-chlorosuccinamide. So whatever the lone pair of electrons, it is going to take up this chloride, and this bonded pair of electron will shift onto nitrogen, and there will be a formation of dipolar species. This anion now attacks sulfur and chloride will be lost. So there will be loss of chloride ion and it leads to the formation of electrophilic species. So this is electrophilic species, and this electrophilic species will be called as Correa-Kim reagent. So after this formation of Correa-Kim reagent, so since it is an electrophilic species, now if it is treated with alcohol, what happens is there is attack of nucleophilic alcohol. So this is electrophile. Now, so this alcohol with lone pair of electrons, now it attacks this electrophilic center, that is sulfur, and there will be formation of this salt. This anion will take up this proton and there will be loss of succinamide, and it leads to the formation of alkoxy sulfonium salt. And after the formation of this alkoxy sulfonium salt, if it is treated with triethylamine base, what happens is deprotonation of alkoxy sulfonium salt will takes place, which leads to the formation of desired carbonyl compound. So whenever it is treated with this alkoxy sulfonium salt. Upon treatment with base triethylamine, so there will be deprotonation will occur and leads to the formation of desired carbonyl compound, and at the same time there will be formation of ethyl ammonium hydrochloride salt, and there will be formation of dimethyl sulfide. So this is the mechanism of Corey-Kim oxidation. Thank you.